Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change game booster settings on Samsung Galaxy A57. So first of all, we have to find and open the gaming hub on our smartphone, and after that tap the three dot icon in the top right corner of this app. Also give it all the permissions if it asks you for any. Go to game booster, and here you can change the motion smoothness effects in games. In-game, you can customize the in-game panel. You can adjust the touch protection and screenshot settings. Now, to access the game booster, you're gonna have to launch any game, any supported game on your smartphone. If you don't see any games on your home screen, just check your game hub, and the game booster will be available as long as the game launches. Okay, so here we have this tiny bar, and if we tap on it, we'll be able to access the game booster menu. So we can change the game modes, switching between performance, balanced, and battery saver. We can also check the system monitor and adjust the rest of the settings in this place. We can also check the CPU and GPU usage in game, the FPS count, and the RAM memory usage. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.